Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist, and we're talking about save energy, save money. Today, we're looking at maintenance, but this is maintenance of your heating systems, where more than 50% of your costs are used for space heating. So if your boiler or water pumps are inefficient, then every time you turn on a tap, you will be washing money down the drain. Modern building energy management systems, or BeMS for short, will be able to tell you when your system is operating outside of optimal limits, and it may even be able to tell you which piece of equipment is at fault. Because your heating and lighting systems are costing you so much to run, it will always save you money if you know when to maintain the system instead of waiting for the system to fail. However, on another slightly different but associated topic, it may interest you to know that older monobloc taps are forcing your water heating system to run for longer than needed. Just think, most monobloc taps sit with the water temperature to be a mix of hot and cold, but many times you only need cold water. So every time you turn on the tap, the heating system fires into life, and then you choose to select cold water. So you've just wasted energy and water, and both of these cost you money. Now you can choose monobloc taps, which always default to providing you with cold water first. This means you only choose hot water when needed, so your costs are reduced. So that's enough information for today. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save energy, save money at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.